Hey, ItsJish here and welcome back to another episode of Quick Tech Tips. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use an Xbox One controller with your PC. To make this work, the only things you're going to need are an Xbox One controller, a micro USB data cable, preferably one that came with a micro USB device, and a PC of course. Firstly, go to the links in the description and download either the 32-bit or the 64-bit version of the drivers. To check if your PC is a 32-bit or 64-bit machine, type into the search bar control panel, then open it up. Next, click System and Security, then click System. The type of machine you will have is found here. Once you have found out if your computer is 32 or 64-bit, you can then download the 64 times if you have a 32-bit PC, the 86 times if you have a 64-bit PC. Once the file is downloaded, just go through the installation process. However, I'm not going to do this as I have already installed the drivers. When the installation is complete, click Finish and then get your micro USB cable and plug the USB end into the USB port on your computer. Then plug the other end of the cable into your Xbox One controller. If your cable is a data cable and not just a charging cable, everything should work now when you try to use the controller in a game. But if it does not work, try buying a new cable and make sure it is a data cable and not just a charging cable. If you followed all the steps I showed you, all should go well, and then you should be able to use the controller in a game. I hope you liked this tutorial, and if you did, make sure to leave a like, and if you didn't, please give this video a dislike and tell me in the comments what I could do to improve the videos. Make sure to subscribe if you're new, if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.